So what's up, YouTube? This is something I've been kind of waiting for a good little minute right now. Um, I want to address something. FedEx shipping sucks. They suck. I said it. um, the reason I say it is because I hit like a week later after I went on a kind of a streak. As you've seen in my other videos, I hit the Sakai, um, British Tans. I hit those on the sneakers app. I hit the Pollen ones. I hit on exclusive access on the off-white dunks, and I think a week later they had like a second. What they called it was the second chance exclusive access to the Travis Scott low Jordans, and I hit on that too. Right, mind you, this is like maybe I want to say exactly 2 weeks. I know I get the hurricane came through and it's it kind of blindsided them and flooded them with waters and had them backed up. I understand all that, but it took an additional week to get those in here. I actually ordered the Cactus Jack shirt from the first drop, which I'll show that to y'all too. I'll probably get into that first before I do the review on the shoe, but I felt like it was super fire. Resale was $350 for a certain amount of time, I guess, because nobody had a shirt, and I thought the resale would be pretty good even if I didn't get the highs. So I bought the shirt just to try to like resell, but not knowing I would hit actually on a second chance for the lows. So now I'm going to keep the shirt. So but the shirt that I'm referring to, I'll show you in just 3, 2, 1. This shirt, I don't know if you know, but if you know, but this shirt here, this is the back of it. I thought this eagle was fire. I felt like that was a fire part of that shirt. Fragment design. Hold on 1 minute. Let me see if I can get this up. That's the front. Cactus Jack. Flames on the side. Circles. Fragment design. Got a tiger head or Pink Panther, whatever you want to call it, but got it here. It's a fragment of your imagination. Dope t-shirt, well made. It took a long time to get that. Surprisingly though, I got this before I got the shoe, so whatever. But without further ado, holding y'all up too long, let me go ahead and get into these. The Nike fragment. It's got this clear outside to the box that has Nike Air fragment design logo. Got this Cactus Jack sign, Air Jordan, all over the box. And this, plastic shell case thing that attaches to the box, which is cool, super cool. Got a different type of box that comes along with it. It's the white box. And you got the size 10 Air Jordan 1 low OGSP. Sail military blue black. Size 10. Retail was $150. So let's get into these. You have a Cactus Jack paper. Fragment design Cactus Jack. And there we have it. The Air Jordan Travisscott low OGSP and fragment design. The details in this are super good, super cool. I love the idea behind it. I love the colorway. They look a lot better in hand, right? If you can get a close-up of the details, right? See, the pink comes into play behind the Nike check. The leather is buttery. Got the reverse swoosh on the outside. A pinkish sail tongue with the blue Nike check. The blue Nike Air on that. And you got the Cactus Jack sign right here. Inside, got a black swoosh. You got the writing on the midsole. This shoe differs from the other shoes, so you know you got the Air Jordan stitched in fragment design logo on the back. Nike on the butt. This is a dope sneaker. The details are immaculate on this sneaker. It's a size 10 right now. Oh, they come with 3 sets of laces, well 4 really, including the one that's in the shoe. All of them are wax laces, which I think is another cool detail touch. I don't know which ones I'll go for. I might leave the sail in here. I kind of like the way that looks. I guess I'll have to just try it out, figure it out. The blue I may use. You know, that'd be cool. The pink, I don't know yet. I'm undecided on which color to choose, but all of the laces are wax laces, which is a cool touch. You know, the details are immaculate. The butter is buttery smooth. That's a very well made sneaker, man. Then you got the Nike Air on this side with the fragment design. It's nothing like a retail dub. I did not pay resale for these. Cactus Jack on the other side, Cactus Jack logo. Goes with the shirt, you know, with the pink and the sail and the white and blue. I think this is a really dope collab, man. really dope collab, man. I love this design. I love the sneaker. Finally was able to get my hands on a pair of sneakers that really are exclusive. I've never been really into, I've been more of the GR release guy, not even getting all of those, you know. Timing just didn't seem to be right, but the stars aligned for this one. So, you know, it's a retail dub. I'm super happy for that, because I know on StockX, I look at the numbers on here. I think this size 10 is going for like 1,500. So, you know, to come up and get that for like 180 is a blessing. So, you know, I really think this might be sneaker of the year. But get in the comment box. Like, comment, subscribe, talk shit, do whatever you do. You know, this is something I've been trying to get on my channel for a while now, and I finally actually got something kind of exclusive on my channel. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Until the next one, out. Peace.